Performance HVAC boilers. Boilers are one of the oldest forms of heating. For large commercial HVAC heating, boilers are still one of the best options available. The heat generated by boilers is also reported to be pleasant. A boiler brings an even heat unlike the drafty heat of a heat pump. Many powerful Denver HVAC systems use boilers for even heating across large stores, warehouses or hotels. Gas and oil boilers are available. There is little difference in performance from different heat sources, as a boiler is just a pressure system for heating water and transferring that heat. There are many different options for boilers. There are low and high pressure systems, steam and hot water, but all use a system to loop warm water for heat. Boiler repair is relatively advanced work, so be sure to use a qualified Denver furnace repair company. High-performance HVAC boilers usually use steam, which uses its own pressure to circulate heat in the system. Boiler control systems have evolved over time. Older Colorado buildings used a dry-fired boiler, which is dangerous if the water is not kept at correct levels. More advanced digital control and staging systems are used in advanced HVAC systems. Residential boilers use just an aquastat, while commercial boilers use complex local controls built into the system. Multi-boiler staging uses several boilers according to demand. Cast iron boilers with solid-state controls are good choices that measure the change in energy and adjust boiler use accordingly. Modulating control limits fuel use by demand. An older system rarely used on high-performance Denver HVAC is simple on-off boiler fire control. Step-up/down systems are slightly more advanced in that they control furnace levels. Another way to modify firing is through oxygen trim control. This uses a flue to trim excess air when the boiler is not operating full blast. Excess air regulation control is like a supercharger that maintains a positive airflow for maximum combustion. More advanced controls combine air and fuel limiters to add safety and increase fuel efficiency when stepping up or down on heating. Drum level control makes dry fire systems a little safer by monitoring drum water levels. Consult both the boiler manufacturer and your local HVAC contractor to determine which controls are appropriate for you. All boilers need a reliable water source. This may be connected to the city system or a dedicated well pump. It is important to maintain a steady water supply to keep boiler water levels at safe limits. Hot water boiler systems need the system to be full of water. Steam systems need to regulate water so there is only steam in the mains, not water. In a cold city like Denver, HVAC systems should have a ball valve between the water source and the boiler to stop major leaks. Colorado code requires all HVAC systems to have a backflow preventer keep the water supply from being contaminated by the boiler. A pressure reducer valve is also needed to make sure the heating system does not fail over a certain PSI. If you are worried that your system is not safe, consider calling in a Denver heating repair contractor to inspect your HVAC for safety and local regulations. For more information on Denver HVAC, http://www.denverheating.org/ or heating and air conditioning. Check out my blog, Denver HVAC Chick, where I try and give you all the female insider tips you need to make your HVAC system purr. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/James_McCosker/605719